Okay, hey there guys. So I just got done with work, that's why I'm in my uniform. But it is Valentine's Day. It was a busy morning, but I had a short shift and I got free food, so I'm not complaining. So now I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get Evan her Valentine's Day gift, which is a fish. So I'll just go ahead and give you a little bit of a story. We went to Petco the other day to get Thurston, our dog, some treats. And we always look at the animals when we go to Petco. So we're looking at the guinea pigs, the hamsters, the rats, all of them, because we just think they're adorable. So Evan was texting my dad during this time, asking if we could get a guinea pig, asking if we could get a rat, asking if we could get a hamster, just asking for everything. And he was saying no. So just realized I still have my hairnet on. So he was saying no to everything. But then she said, what about a fish? And he said, sure, which that was surprising. So we went to go get the fish, but we were looking at the fish and she fell in love with this fat white goldfish. I'm hoping it's still at Petco so I can just pick it up. If it's not, I'll just buy the tank and stuff and we'll go and get another fish. But she has a name set for him already. She's gonna name him Jerry. So I am really hoping that he's there, but I'm gonna go to Walmart first and get the tank and the pebbles and the little fish tank pebbles. And then the fish food because it's cheaper at Walmart, and then I'm going to go over to Petco and try to get that fish if he's still there. I'm really hoping he's still there because I think that he'd be a great fit in our family. Evan lost her guinea pig about 7 months ago, so she's been without a pet for 7 months, and she's an animal person, so she's got to have a pet. So I figure fish is pretty easy. My parents thought fish is pretty easy. So we're gonna go get this fish. Okay, so they did not have the tank at Walmart, so I'm gonna have to buy it at Petco. But I just went ahead and I bought some fish food, and I bought some plants to put in the tank, and then I got these for the bottom. So I'm excited. I'm still hoping that Jerry's there. It'd be kind of sad if he wasn't, but... Okay, so he is not here. So the fish is not in there, which means the surprise that I planned is going to have to go a little differently. So I think I'm going to go home. I'm going to have Evan come out and act like she's gonna see her present, and I'll be like, okay, this is the stuff your present is, we're gonna go pick out a fish. I already went to Petco, Jerry wasn't there, so you have to pick a new one. So I think that that's how the the present's gonna have to go, unfortunately. But I think she'll still be plenty excited. She'll be disappointed, but she'll be plenty excited too. So I'm gonna make a phone call real quick, see if that's okay if I just pick her up and we head right back over here. I need gas too, so. Okay, so she's coming. I'm gonna have her look at the bags and tell me what she thinks she's getting. Okay, I got part of your present, okay? Open.
You're videoing it?
Yeah, because, I mean, you said I should do...
Oh, it's a cute little froggy!
Okay.
Bye-bye, froggy.
Alright, open the bags. What do you think you're getting?
I don't know.
So there's some bad news too. So
Bad news? Is Jerry dead?
No, he's not dead. He's just not there.
Oh, you went there and he
yeah,
wasn't there.
I was gonna get him for you, but he wasn't there.
No.
So I got you some like the fish
We're
food.
gonna find a second Jerry.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll find the fish. I didn't want to pick a fish out for you, but he's not there, and it was really kind of sad. But it has to be $5 because that's how much Jerry was.
Okay, I'm gonna find another Jerry.
Okay.
I'm really sad.
Well, there's a flat black one that was there the other day.
I want to find a Jerry.
I didn't see a Jerry, but we'll try. You need some. Okay. So there's some up there that Evan's interested in. Not sure if we'll be able to get those because they look like they're not even.
Look, it's like a baby Jerry. It's not.
Yeah, that's
not
Jerry.
enough.
Wait, what would you name your new fish? Would you name it Jerry still?
I feel like that's disrespectful.
black ones are actually pretty cool. Where do the Okay, so Evan looked up like how to tell the difference between a male and a female goldfish, and this one is a female.
We think. We're pretty sure.
Yeah, so tell them what her name is.
Her name is Winnie.
Okay, so it's Winnie. Winnie the black goldfish.